All right, back again. I just tore off the factory seal, and I'm gonna try another box of this 2012 SP Authentic. 75 bucks on this. It's got a lot of base, a lot of rookies, and 3 hits, I think. Oh, sweet! I got a thread spec. That's a bonus hit. We're gonna save that for last, actually. I'll show you what that looks like. Camera's not really catching it right now. Okay. Running out of room on my table. T.J. Graham, Jeff Fuller, Aaron Corp. That's cool. Maybe it's something good. Who knows? Nick Foles. That's a is it canvas collection. Let's make a pile right there. And spacer. This stuff's actually pretty fun. Nice if they could up the hits to like 5, but oh well. Levis here, Tune. Don't really know who that is. I don't even know if he's in the NFL, but his canvas collections are kind of cool cards. That's some base. So Russell Wilson. Khalil. That's kind of cool. A Colt. Dwayne Allen, sign of the times. That's our first hit. Yeah, that's a nice little card. He's a pretty good player. Boo. Got ignorant. At least it's just base though. It's not a hit. Base. Another Nick Foles. I'm a Vic fan, so these are all available for trade or sale if you like Nick Foles. I think Vic's going to win the job, but to Andre Ware, the Heisman winner that was a flop. It's the 94. The Doug Martin. Even these base rookies just have a cool design. It's like a all white background, which is, I don't know, it just works for this set. Spacer. Base. Cool little Michael James card. I'm getting faster at this. I hadn't opened it all really, man. I opened like blasters just for the hell of it, but that's cool. Robert Griffin. Yeah, I opened a bunch of blasters. I haven't really done much hobby box at all. I mean, you'll see one here and there, but there's probably going to be about 12 uploads from the show. Just random hobby boxes. That's cool. I think that's an SP. I'm not sure on that. I'll have to look that up. I think I got John Elway in my other box, but I'll have to look that up, but that's good for the Berry PC. Still waiting on 2 hits, plus we got the Threads pack. Pat Edwards, Canvas Collection, never heard of him. Like, this guy finds his way into packs like nobody I've ever seen. There's our patch auto, Davey Raposey. Don't know when he'll be back, but the corner's corner's a little rough on that one, but a little upset by that hit, but it's all luck. Mohamed Sanu, Campus Classics, or I can't say that one right. Canvas Collection. There's also a chance at a luck redemption in this stuff too, as he will now be signing with Upper Deck. Oops, knock some cards over. Smooth those. Base. Some of these packs rip really easy, and some you gotta put some force into it. That's kind of cool. He's on the Chiefs. Cyrus Gray. There's a Blackman. I wonder what the odds are on this SP Threads. Huh. I don't know. It might be. I have no idea, actually. I'm not even going to try to predict it, but there's a Harrison Ford 94 SP. Ty Detmer 94 SP. Oops. 3 packs waiting on 1 hit. That's cool. John Elway. Should be an autograph in here. Huh. You guys wrong. Maybe the Threads count as a hit. Not sure. That sucks. I thought I was getting an extra hit. Well, let's open the Threads and see. Oh, that sucks. John Kreiner, out of all players. Well, we tried, but go down pretty hard with that one. Well, that's it for that box. This just reading about the SP Threads, but that's it for that box. Didn't do too well, so thanks a lot.